How's it going, guys? So as you can see, I'm back out with the Arrma Krayon, the Typhon Kraton hybrid, and this hopefully will be third time lucky. I just gave it a little squirt, just no jumps or anything, just pedaling around with it, and it seems to be okay. So we'll see how it goes. I'll flash a picture actually up somewhere of the damage, because it's another thing to watch out for. I'm only using the 3300s today, just to see if it actually all works properly. Don't want to put too much strain on everything. Oh, that was lucky. Oh, that was crazy. I think might have damaged something. The only problem with going bigger swing arms and stuff is you're always gonna get more damage. It's just physics. Oh, I wanted to do a backflip, I've done a backflip. It feels like a toy to drive now. I don't know, it's weird. Oh, no. There you go. Gear problems already. Yeah, something's going on in there already. Yep, definitely the battery. So I'll change that quickly, and whatever's going bad in there, I think I'm just going to drive it until it's completely dead, and then we'll figure out what went wrong. Oh yeah. Why do I keep doing that? Oh yeah, there we go. It's all gone, I think. Sounds nice now, the rear diff's gone. Can't do nothing with it, just front wheel drive. What? Alright guys, that's it. I've got to save this battery for another video. I'm taking the HPI flux out again because I damaged it and I managed to fix it, so I'll give you a look at the damage in that video. So cheers guys, catch you in the next video, and as always, stay safe. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.